Hello my lovely family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sona. I'm so sorry that these past week I have not been uploading videos. I was a little bit sick, but now I'm feeling better, thank God. Today I am going to try the 2 feet in braid. Guys, this is my first time doing it and I don't know whether it is going to be good or not. That being said, I'm starting with a freshly washed and stretched hair. And you can see how my hair is. For this hairstyle, I am going to use a box braid hair extension which was left from one of my customers, and the color of the hair is gold. I sectioned the hair into 10 parts, starting with a small part and increase it as I am going. The reason why I did this is because you don't want the starting of your braid to be too big. So that is why I advise you to start with a smaller section. I will be also using the jam and gel plus the edge controller from Cream of Nature, and now I am parting my hair into 2 equal parts. After parting my hair into 2 equal parts, I further divided the parted hair into smaller sections, apply the jam and gel, comb it so that it can be flat, and I repeat the same thing to all the parted hair. To start the feet in braids hairstyle that I'm going to do, I started by controlling my natural hair for about an inch before I fit in the hair extension. Now for feeding the braid, I take the smallest hair and roll it in the middle with my finger and place it under my hair, leaving the other end out. Then continue with the cone roll, and after that I take the left hair and continue braiding. Guys, I'm not good at explaining, but you can see how I am doing it, and I will show you more as I continue braiding. As I was braiding my hair, I noticed that the hair extension tangled easily and it was very difficult to detangle it. especially when your hair is dry. So I advise you to be combing your hair as you braid so that you can prevent your hair from breaking.
When you call me, it's a kind of go. I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance. We never stand a chance. Don't stand.
For the second braid, I did the same as the first one. Start by contouring my natural hair for an inch. Fit in the extension as I am braiding, starting with the smallest hair. Now I am trimming my braids to make it neat. Put some edge controller to my edges and comb them down. After that, I apply the mousse all over my hair. Tie my edges first, then with a scarf to make it dry. I put the end of the braid into a hot water. Be careful guys with this step so that you don't burn yourself. Finally, this is the results. I am so happy that it turned out very beautiful and I'm so proud of myself. I put some accessories to it. As you know, I love accessorizing. This is it guys. If you like this hairstyle, try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new here. Love you all. Bye.